What's up, my Mediterraneans? Nicole, you petty here. Look, y'all, friend of mine, their child asked me, Miss Nicole, why you always working so hard? And my response to them was, until I have a hiccup in my bank account, I can't rest. Shoot, man, last year I was so poor I couldn't pay attention. I'm tired of staycations. I want a vacation. I'm sick of looking at these same neighbors every day asking me what you doing. The same damn thing you doing. Nothing. So until I get to where I want to be, there's no holds barred. I'm going to keep working it out. Bye for now.